Welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for August 11, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 7:57 p.m. During the next 24 hours, daylight passes through the 14-hour mark. It decreases 2 to 3 minutes each day. The Perseid meteor shower peaks before twilight begins in 2 mornings. The shower increases in its rate, as well as a dimmer crescent moon contributing less moonlight. The shower is best spotted after midnight as the shower's radiant rises higher in the sky. The shower peaks on the 13th before twilight begins. More meteors can be seen looking overhead, but shooting stars can be seen anywhere in the sky. Organize your Perseid meteor watch. Since one person cannot watch the entire sky, recruit 4 friends to join you in a late Saturday night to early Sunday morning watch. One person watches the sky overhead and the others look toward the cardinal directions. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, a pretty waning crescent moon, 21% illuminated, is about 40 degrees up in the east, and 2.0 degrees below Elnath, the Bull's northern horn, and 6.0 degrees to the upper left of Zeta Tauri, the southern horn, horns side by side. Elnath's name means the one budding with horns. The points on the lunar crescent are known as cusps or horns. Look for earthshine, the gentle glow that is within the lunar cusps. This effect is from sunlight reflecting from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land. Photograph it with a tripod-mounted camera and exposures up to a few seconds. Taurus somewhat resembles a celestial bull. Aldebaran represents an eye, and with the Hyades star cluster, they outline the animal's head in a sideways letter V. The Pleiades star cluster is riding on the bull's back. Jupiter is nearly 2/3 of the way up in the southeastern sky, about 40 degrees to the upper left of the lunar crescent. The planet rises over 6 hours before sunrise and appears high in the sky during morning twilight. At this hour, Saturn is over 20 degrees up in the southwest. It is dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than most stars this morning. The ringed wonder is retrograding in front of Aquarius, 7.6 degrees to the right of Skate and 7.0 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. See the accompanying article at When the Curves Line Up for a star chart. The starfield is dim, and when viewed from an urban or suburban location, outdoor lighting washes out the dimmer stars. Use a binocular to see Saturn in front of the stars. With opposition occurring later in the month, Saturn is lower in the morning sky each morning. At that date, the planet sets in the west-southwest as the sun rises. In the evening sky, Venus is still east of the sun, although it passes between our planet and the central star in 2 days, quickly moving into the morning sky. Mercury, now past its greatest elongation, is low in the west during bright twilight and fading in brightness. It sets 55 minutes after sunset. Mars is considerably dimmer than Mercury and wiped out by evening twilight. It has ended a 2-year romp through the zodiacal stars, passing opposition in front of Taurus. Twilight's visual curtain has closed this run. The red planet continues to slowly set earlier each evening, passing behind the sun on November 18th and then an appearance in the morning sky. Venus passes by February 22nd, 2024. Saturn rises earlier each night, this evening 41 minutes after sundown. Over an hour later it is nearly 15 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.